this is a lesser known 1986 film called New Delhi Times. It's about journalism, and in those days there was no television journalism, so it's entirely about print journalism, a newspaper. And the hero is a man called Vikas Pandey, played by Shashi Kapoor, and his wife is a lawyer, which is played by Sharmila Tagore. So it's a good film, but not a great film. Could have been a great film. But it ran into some controversy because it was banned on Doordarshan because they saw that some of the riot scenes were probably triggering for some people. But it was banned, so that's the reason I remember. I did not see it back then, but I saw it much later on YouTube. And you have a good print available even today on YouTube. So if you want to see an authentic newspaper office in the 80s, this is a good film to watch. So the hero is an editor, which is Shashi Kapoor. Right at the beginning, the timestamp is 7 minutes and 30 seconds. One of the employees of the newspaper walks into the editor's chamber, that is Shashi Kapoor's chamber, and shows him the suggested front page. They actually used to cut out the articles and the photographs and show the front page. One of the probable stories is Chief Minister Trivedi might resign. Chief Minister Trivedi is one of the important characters of the film. It's a thriller actually, if you see. So he asks the editor, so do you think Chief Minister Trivedi will resign? Shashi Kapoor 40 years ago predicted the resignation of the current education minister when he said, "Ye minister to hote hi hatane ke liye." And the way he says it is interesting. And by the way, this is one of those films written by Gulzar, which he is generally not associated with. So it's written by Gulzar. So this dialogue is also by Gulzar. ये मिनिस्टर तो होते ही हैं हटाने के लिए, सब अपनी दिहाड़ी करते हैं. Permanent तो बेचारे secretaries हुआ करते हैं. He's talking about the steel frame, the bureaucracy which has secretaries or additional secretaries. So this was a dialogue which came 40 years ago. So Shashi Kapoor effectively 40 years ago predicted the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan when he said, ये मिनिस्टर तो होते ही हैं हटाने के लिए. That's not always true, but interesting line. I remembered it when I saw the resignation recently. I thought I'll feature it on the blog. ये मिनिस्टर तो होते ही हैं हटाने के लिए.
आप समझते हैं कि चीफ मिनिस्टर त्रिवेदी को कोई भी आदमी हटा सकता है?
अरे मिनिस्टर तो होते ही हटाने के लिए. सब अपनी दिहाड़ी करते हैं. परमानेंट तो बेचारे सेक्रेटरीज हुआ करते हैं. हाँ, विकास यार.